In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Wix. Whether you're organizing your site for better user navigation or simply tidying up your layout, understanding how to manage your menu structure is essential. Let's dive right in. When you're in the Wix editor, your first step is to navigate to the left sidebar menu. Once there, you'll want to select the option labeled Pages and Menu. This section is where you can manage all your website's pages and how they appear to your visitors. With Pages and Menu open, you'll see a list of your current menu items, which represents the structure of your site from the perspective of your visitors. Next, you'll want to add a new menu item. You can do this by scrolling to the bottom of the panel and clicking on the plus Add Menu Item button. Here, you'll have the option to select submenu title or drop-down title. This is the feature that allows you to create a non-clickable title that acts as a header for a group of related pages. It's a great way to categorize your content. For instance, perhaps you're setting up a section for various services your business offers. Enter a descriptive name, like Services, and then click Done. This newly created submenu title will now appear in your menu list. Remember, this title itself isn't clickable. It merely serves as an organizer. Now, let's move on to adding subpages to this dropdown. Within the same Pages and Menu panel, look through the list of your existing pages to find the ones you want to include under this new submenu title. Simply click and drag the page you want to nest into position right under your new title. You'll notice that when you drag a page under a submenu title, it automatically becomes part of that drop-down menu. It's a simple drag-and-drop action, crafted with ease in mind. Repeat this process for any other pages that belong in the same section, dragging them into this new organizational structure. This not only helps you organize your site, but also improves the navigational experience for your visitors. Finally, let's refine the visibility of your menu items. Navigate back to your Pages and Menu section and locate any pages that are part of your dropdown, but you don't want directly visible in the main menu. Click on the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots next to the appropriate page. From the drop-down options, select Hide from Menu. This action doesn't delete the page or make it inaccessible. It simply removes it from the standard menu, but keeps it available through direct URLs. And there you have it, a neatly organized drop-down menu that enhances the user experience on your Wix site. Organizing your menu items this way not only makes your site look more professional, but also makes navigation intuitive for your visitors. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your website.